Hello everyone, and today I want to show you one very simple strategy for 1 minute. I will show the setup and trading on the Pocket Option Broker. The link will be in the description. To do this, we go to the indicators and add the first moving indicator. Click on it again to add 2 indicators. Go to the settings of the first one and change the period to 5. We will have an exponential method, that is, an EMA. Go to the view, change the color and click Save. Go to the settings of the second. We change the period to 12, the method is the same, the view, I change only the color and click Save. And we add the last indicator, this is the PCA. Go to the settings, change for a period of 5, we have a view, change all the values to 50. Click Save. And now we will watch and observe. We have a time frame of 1 minute, the expiration time is also 1 minute. And now I'm making a deal for a raise. Let's look at an example. Our price has reached the level of 50 and here we see that the price is trending and besides, we see a pink moving one, this is an uptrend. Therefore, it was decided to put on an increase for 1 minute. Our deal closed in a plus. There was a situation here when it is clear that the price may have already started to turn around a little. So let's move on. We will not just trade according to the strategy, but also look for an entry from some levels of either support or resistance. And of course, the trend is our friend. I'm betting on a downgrade. Let's consider this option as well. The same price came up on the RSI to our level. We have a downward trend, and to be honest, there was a little unclear situation here, since the price was already entering the sideways, but since we still have a downward trend on the moving average and we also observe the conditions for the PC, so I put it on the downside. And we see our second deal also closed in a plus. We are looking for a good level, we are looking to trade with you according to the trend and we are looking so that the RSI does not break through our level yet, only approaches this zone. We are putting on a raise here, too, under the same conditions. RSI. We see that we have an upward trend and, in principle, according to this moving average, it is clear that while the price is going up and we are putting behind the trend. Six seconds left. We see the deal and the deal closed in a plus. Of course, you can remove the orange moving average, but then you will not look where the intersection is, there may be some kind of trend reversal. I keep it in my strategy. I bet again on a decrease. We see that we have a downtrend, the price of RSI has come to our level. We put the deal on the decline. As you can see, I trade not only on regular currency pairs, but also on OTS. That is, according to this strategy at any time convenient for you. Whether on weekends, or at night, it does not matter, as long as it is convenient for you. Now I am trading on OTS because there is a very good percentage here. "3 seconds and there is. And our deal." Of course, I chose a very volatile currency pair, but nevertheless our deal closed with an excellent plus. I made one more last let's deal. As you can see, there are a lot of such moments, really a lot. And the strategy is so simple that any beginner can use it. But of course it is wise to approach and control your deposit. The same conditions, we see that the trend here shows a downward movement of the price approaching the level on the RSI. We put the deal down for 1 minute. There are 9 seconds left and I hope that nothing will interfere with us now. Yes, 3 seconds, 2, great, great, our deal closed in a plus. We see that we have traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deals and closed in a net plus. If you have something to say about her, or change something, then of course write in the comments under this video, it will be nice and useful to hear. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and bye.